Today we're going to do something for fun. We're going to go low. Lower. Lower.
Hi.
Hey, so a couple weeks ago I did Audio Movers versus Session Wire, and I did this.
In the red corner with 3
It's the pitch down announcer voice, and a couple people asked me, how did you do that? So I'm just going to show you really quickly. It's just for fun. This isn't serious today. Hey, I'm Steve Smith, aka Steve in the Mix. I'm a multi-platinum producer, and today we're just going to have a little bit of fun. This is how I did this. So in the intro, I just automated this plugin. You can find it here. Pitch Shifter Mono. You'll find something like this in Pro Tools or Ableton or FL Studio. Everybody has something like this. Really simple to use. So 2 semitones to 3 semitones is about sort of how you get that effect. And here you can see the automation I did at the beginning.
Today we're going to do something for fun. We're going to go low. Lower. Lower.
Hi.
So you can see I just automated that. So there's a few uses for this. They've used it in movies. So let me show you something I did down here. They actually did this in one entire Batman movie where they thought that Batman didn't sound masculine enough. So they pitched all of him when he was talking as Batman. I think it was a tone down. So something like this.
Hi, I'm Batman.
So you can use that just for fun. I did something really stupid here just to give you an idea. I don't think my music selection is perfect, but you get the idea. You could do stuff like this for comedy, or, like this is what they do. When you hear stuff on the radio, they're doing something like this. Let me turn the reverb on.
Neighbors outside, burning 20 cars, shaking hands with the devil as they race through the gates of hell.
So that's a bit rough, and I'd have to clean that up if we were going to actually use it, but that's what they do in those commercials that you hear on TV. You could use it in the setting like the background of a song, some kind of ear candy. I'll back off this here. Let's turn this up and I'll just do it manually. So
yeah, sounds good.
You could have something like that, make your own samples in the background. This is me singing horribly, by the way, but again, turn the reverb up. You could make samples of yourself, something that sounds... I know it's dumb, but stuff like that in the back for ear candy, or take an actual vocal that the singer sings, pitch it up like that. Like, it's going to have to be a musical value. 12 semitones is an octave. Way in the back. That's how a lot of this ear candy sampling stuff is created. Hey, if you get the idea of this, if you thought it was kind of cool, just leave me a comment. Just say, fun, that was kind of fun. Something like that. And if you think stuff like this is a little bit interesting, I'll do some more serious stuff. And it'd be awesome if you subscribe or give me a like. See you next time.